Hey guys, it's Wengie and hugs! Today I'm here with Joey Graceffa.
Hello there!
I'm actually in his house and it's beautiful.
Yes. Oh, thank you.
Today we're gonna be making some slime food.
I don't get how that's gonna happen, but I'm down.
Yeah, he's like being confused this whole time.
And you haven't told me anything. I'm like, so how are we gonna make this? And you're like, you'll see.
And right now I'm doing a MacBook Air giveaway to one of my family members, and to become a Wengie corn, just click the subscribe button down below. Also join my notification squad by clicking the bell right here, because I'll be liking and replying to a bunch of early comments every week and I'd love to chat with you. Alright, are you ready, Joey?
Yes, very ready.
Let's go! Alright, so the first thing we're gonna make is peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
I love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, so I can't wait to see what slime peanut butter and jelly sandwiches taste like.
Yeah, we're not gonna eat it.
Slime is over. I was promised food and slime, so I want to eat it.
I've made this a little bit easier. We're starting off with something easy. So we do have the bread prepared. We're not gonna be making slime bread. We have bowls for our slime. We got activator. This is borax, which apparently isn't safe.
So I can't eat it.
You're free to eat it.
She wants to kill me.
So I think I'm gonna make the jelly first.
Oh, so you're making the jelly, I'm making the peanut butter?
No, we're gonna make one each.
Because you wanna make yours better than mine.
You guys are gonna vote who made it better at the end.
You're gonna teach me how to make it at least?
No.
What? I don't know what I'm doing.
Doing the clear slime first.
Okay, is this the jelly?
Yeah, this is the jelly.
I'm going with purple.
Oh, I'm gonna be safe. I'm gonna go with the red.
So like a raspberry jam?
Mm-hmm.
Mine's grape jelly.
Ooh.
Which is more classic.
And then when you're done with that, just pop like a little bit of activator in. Oh, I love this part.
Okay, that does look like jelly.
Yeah, right?
So crazy. Activation is beginning. Okay, that looks like actual jelly. You can do a pranks.
Oh, and like poison your friends.
Yeah,
no. I do not endorse that. This looks a bit too bright red. Can you pass me the food color?
We just ran out of food coloring, so I think you're stuck with what you have.
Thank you. I knew you were nice somewhere in there. This is gonna be a very big risk. I'm gonna add some brown. This could turn really bad.
Oh, I hope it does. I mean, good luck.
Oh no, I don't know if that's too much brown, guys. Oh, that's disgusting. What did I just do?
It's not that bad. Okay.
Yeah, mine's good.
Alright, I think mine is too.
Oh, I think mine's a bit chewy. It's
Chewy?
Yeah, like
you
when
should
breaks
chew
up.
it. I think I finally got the right consistency.
Oh, that
looks
looks
so
good.
good.
Time for the peanut butter. What's your favorite ratio of peanut butter to jelly?
It has to be equal. Wow, this is so weird. They both look like peanut butter.
Mine's like bowled up. It's like a little...
Yours looks like intestines.
I know. Yeah, I feel like I just put too much activator. Oh, this is the worst slime I've ever made. Look at this.
You can cover it up with bread.
Yeah, I know.
Uh-oh. I might have just added too much activator. Yeah, ours is kind of the same.
There we go.
There they are. Do we cut into it?
Yes.
Okay. Oh,
Ooh.
definitely more peanut butter in there, but that looks real. Oh, look at this.
Oh, it was like a cheese melt.
Yeah.
You ready, guys? Mine didn't do the cute melty thing. You guys get to vote down below. Don't forget to get into the comments. Put like sandwich. The name of who you thought won this round.
Joey.
Or Wengie.
That's too long. It's a life hack. It saves you time to just spell Joey.
Alright, so next up, we're gonna do...
That is beautiful.
I know, I just can't stop looking at it, right?
You need to Instagram that immediately.
We're gonna make it out of fluffy slime.
Okay.
So, fluffy slime.
Oh, that's what shaving cream.
Yes, let's pop some glue into our little bowls first. A little goes a long way.
Yeah.
You have to do 3 different colors for this.
Okay. I'll start with the pink one.
I'll start with the teal. Can I grab a spoon?
No, you'll have to use your hands.
Gonna get a little...
You should have brown.
I should I, Joey? Ooh.
Well, I think I got a little too ahead of myself. Can you add some activator to mine? Okay, thank you.
I should have poured the whole thing on so everyone can slime.
I will find you.
Ew, I thought it was gonna be stuck to me forever. Got it off. Girl, you need some more activation.
I know.
You know what works? If you just pour the whole slime in there and just squeeze it like a sponge, it'll make it really good.
Well, yeah, I'm sure.
It's falling apart. Oh no.
Oh yeah, it is.
Ew. Okay, I think mine's actually better now.
You know, I feel like it's because I didn't have enough glue. I'm so sad. I'm sorry, Joey, but I'm just gonna put it on the table.
That actually looks really good.
Yeah.
It looks like what this is supposed to be. Might not be like the best slime to play with, but visually it's gonna look better.
Do you think I should try out for the next avatar?
Oh, me too!
Alright, time to make our food. So we've got the empty Starbucks cups with our straws.
I kind of want to like try something. Whisk them all into one roll.
Oh.
Should I try that?
Yeah, for sure.
Mine's like a, oh my. It's like turning into this long snake. It just keeps getting longer and longer.
Yours looks really neat though. I gotta give it to you for the neatness of your slime.
I'm just adding some design elements.
I'm just gonna leave mine. I feel like I'll just make mine
It looks
worse.
so good. Okay, so the back looks better than the front because the front's just a lot of pink. Aw.
Ooh. Alright guys, vote for your favorite down below. These are our creations. Let us know which one you thought was the best. And we're moving on to the next food. The next challenge is Galaxy Donut. We have one additional ingredient to this.
Okay.
We've got some little foam balls.
Nice.
So we can actually shape the donut.
We're making the donut and the frosting.
Correct.
Got it.
I feel like a normal slime's easier to shape into a donut.
Is that?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna do a fluffy donut.
Oh, well, okay, sure. I haven't had any luck with the fluffy slime, so I'm not gonna go down that road. Oh yeah, I feel like I'm getting there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that actually is very close.
Ew, that kind of looks disgusting.
And it looks like a curried chicken.
Does that look edible?
That looks really, really concerning actually.
Foam balls make it like more stiff so it can like shape the donut. So I'm just kind of gonna, whoops. You're like running away from me, what's happening? Yep, I have a diseased donut. In my head, this looked a lot better. You don't have to add the foam balls if you don't want to.
I'm not going to.
The instructions say you should use the balls, so I'm gonna use the balls. It's dying.
Why are you adding more?
I'm committing to this.
No.
It's already started, so I might as well go all the way.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
I'm gonna move on to my frosting.
Ooh, we're gonna go with a clear glaze.
Yeah. Have everything but a little bit of red, which I'm gonna steal from you.
Sure, you can have a bit of my red. I'll swap you for some blue.
Okay, fine.
It literally looks like dough because of the fluffiness.
See, I knew what I was doing.
Okay, I'm going my purple hand.
Okay, look at my donut.
Oh my god, that is so cute. This is my donut.
Now it's time to add the frosting, which I'm just gonna glaze over. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so I made my glaze top separate.
Ooh.
I'm just going to put it on top.
That's really pretty.
There it is!
Oh, that is cute. So I've got my little 4-color strip. I'm gonna glaze mine too. I'm just gonna... Look, it's not bad.
Ooh, that looks good!
I saved it!
Wow, okay, they both look really good
Yeah,
now.
yours is definitely more galaxy. Alright guys, we are done with the donuts!
I think these ones are my favorite.
Yeah, they look super cute. I love the glitter on the top as well. What do you guys think? Does it look like the real thing?
Ours looks better.
Yeah, actually ours does look better. On Joey's channel, we did a giant cookie mix cookie.
Yeah, we mixed every single flavor of cookie and we made one giant, crazy, flavorful cookie.
And we ate it.
Uh-huh.
So don't forget to go to his channel, check out that video. I linked it down below. And let's have a look at what happened on Reacticons this week. No cake looks that perfect.
I like my icing between my sponge, and I never get as much as I want. Just lay it on me. Give me all of the icing. That's what I want.
Alright, so don't forget to check us out on social medias. I linked them down below to see what we get up to during the week. And until next week, we will see you guys soon. But if you want more of Joey, don't forget to check out his channel. Alright guys, I'm gonna miss you guys so much, so we'll see you guys later. Bye!